Okay. I'm in my dorm, the new dorm. It's okay. It's not good, but what's important is what we're doing Monday. So the next video you'll see from me, that's when I'll get my fund account. So I'm gonna do all the groundwork beforehand, but I want to show you why I took this trade and how I won, or how I just took it in general. Who cares about the fact that I won, right? All right. Ah, blood, blood. Okay, let's go back. It's clear. Please don't come in at this time. This is such a bad time to come in. Okay. Now, what do we see here? 4 hour. I don't really see much. 1 hour. Okay, this is incorrect, bro. 9:15. Bro. 9. Okay, look. So we have this draw right here, sell side, and we broke structure with this for Valley Gap, high time frame for Valley Gap. Do I really want to mark this? We could, but it still follows our bias and whatnot. I'd rather just choose not to mark out this for Valley Gap, but we do have a bearish for Valley Gap, and we have this sell side liquidity down here. So that's when my bias is bearish, and this is clearly sell side. This is the lowest low of the whole range. Yeah, that's where we're headed. We don't have a clear buy side draw, but we have a clear sell side draw. We have a bearish for Valley Gap. That's why I am bearish on the hourly. And now, do I see any session highs I want to take note of? Nothing. No, not really. Not really. I see this London low, but it's more of a take profit area that I could hypothetically mark up. But what I'm really worried about is this high time frame draw. So we can mark that if you like, sure. Getting some legs down, small legs down. Market opens, boom. We take out this little draw right here. Now, look how close we are to this high time frame draw, right? Also, we have this huge break of structure, and on the 1 minute we have this nice candle right here. I didn't enter here. I probably would have waited a little bit. Only reason is because it's not in my risk to reward range. Just at that level, just at that moment, I would have waited for a little bit more confirmation, or just wait for price to get a little closer to my high time frame draw, which is my take profit. So I would probably wait, and I did. So I get a nice little fair value gap right here that allows me to enter, sell. I put my stop to 17 above this fair value gap, and my TP is going to be 2.5 for my TP1. So let's go into 5 minutes since you don't have enough space. So TP's 2.5, and then my TP2 is obviously going to be this high time frame draw. So let's see on the 1 minute what price does. Let me set my levels. Stop loss here. Take profit here. So that's my stop loss and that's my take profit. Taps back into that fair value gap. Crushed TP1. Now we're headed down to TP2, which is down here. Price manages to take that out for us as well. So it was a pretty cool trade. The other variables in play was, of course, news. As you can see, Friday we had 3, 4, 5 well, 4 red folders all at 10 a.m. and pre-market. So that kind of altered my brain with me thinking, do I want to take this trade? Do I not? But the important thing was that it didn't affect price action too much. I did see the setup. I did see a setup I liked, so I did take it despite this, and it wasn't PPI or unemployment claims or CPI. It was these folders which weren't as strong, obviously. But I did not take a trade this whole week, which did play into my decision to trade today. You can call that emotion. It probably is. And yeah, majority of this was just pre-market. Core retail sales. That was pre-market. I didn't really see much point in not trading because of pre-market unless it's CPI or PPI or unemployment claims, honestly. But 10 a.m. we had consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, so that probably had an effect on my trade today. You can see, actually no, it didn't. We traded this before 10, but always good to have in the back of your mind the folders, seeing how it could impact the market. So good trade today. News, I didn't get affected by it as much as I would have if I traded the previous day. So this was a good day. Monday, we're going to start our funded account with the funded trader prop firm account. I'm going to go for $25,000. On capital, I'm going to pass their two-stage evaluation. So first stage is going to be just 8% profit, and I'm pretty sure it's a 10% max total drawdown and 12%. I forget the daily drawdown. That doesn't apply to me because I only trade once a day. And yeah, so for the first stage, it's 8%. Next stage is 5%. So past those two, then I'll be able to get, I think the payout split is 90%. I'm not sure, maybe 80%. But if it's a $25,000 account, I'm quite sure it'd be closer to 90, and I'll get my first payout a month after my first funded trade. I'm pretty sure. So excited to go down that funded traded route. I just got to make sure I follow my strategy, follow my processes, all of that, and it'll go out smooth. So I'll see you. Wish me luck. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping with 2 other people. Yes. Bro, they're not here right now. Thank God. That's how I was able to make this video in mild comfort, but it's a room with 2 other dudes, so not the happiest. But toodles. See you later.